we're talking about subtracting integers. Just a reminder, integers are positive or negative numbers. We recently spoken about adding integers, and we're going to assume that we remember the rules for adding integers. If not, feel free to check out that video. But we had a problem where, let's say we had -4 minus 7. One of the things that we talked about when subtracting integers is we'd like to change every subtraction problem into an addition problem. And since a subtraction problem is just the opposite of addition, subtraction is the opposite of addition, what I can do is I can change my subtraction problem by changing the subtraction to addition and then changing to the opposite of the next number. So it's kind of like flipping a coin then flipping it back. It's still the same thing. So as long as I make those two marks, then I still have the same problem. And now that I know my rules for addition, I know I can just add two negatives together. 4 plus 7 is 11. And negative plus negative, I'm just further down that negative side of the number line, so -11. If I had another example, let's say I had -9 minus -12. The same idea. A subtraction problem can be changed to an addition problem by changing it twice. Change subtraction to addition, change the next number to its opposite. It was like saying minus -12 is like saying the opposite of -12, which makes it a positive 12. And -9 and positive 12, I remember my rules for addition. There are more positives, so I know my answer is positive. And how many more? There are 3 more. So the thing to remember is we change subtraction to addition. We change the sign on the next number, okay, because it's the opposite of the next number. It makes it an addition problem, and we follow our rules for addition. Thanks very much. Have a good day.